Hello everyone, take a cake and cut it from the side like this. Remove the excess part from the sides. Now put it on the top of it. Now make the dots to cover the cake and then spread it one by one. Cover the ears and the mouth of the wolf. Now decorate it using brown color cream and it's ready. Next, take a cake and then make the dots on the sides of the cake. Draw the dots carefully as shown in the video. Cover it all as we are covering it. Put the dots very carefully. Now on the top, make a green color hump like this. Decorate it from the sides. Make the brown lines and the dots on it. Make its eyes, nose and mouth. And your beautiful cake is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will take a cake and then put the beautiful multiple color dots on it. Draw the lines using the rainbow theme colors. Use dark green, green, yellow, orange, white, red and different colors of your choice. Make the eyes and your fish cake is ready. Next, we will take a cake and then draw the lines on the sides of it. Make the frills using different colors. Here we have taken white and pink color. Put the fondant on the top of it and the sides. And your piggy theme cake is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take a cake and then draw the lines on it like this using white color cream. Fill it in the between lines like this. Fill the cream very carefully and your fish is almost ready. Next, take a cake and put the fondants for the designs like this and your cake is ready. Thanks for watching our video.